We're here at Southside Elementary School on the first day of Suncoast Remake Learning Days for the event All the Arts for All the Kids. And my goodness, is there a lot going on. We've got mural making, painting, mosaics, music, and very active children interested in video making. What a great day. Suncoast Remake Learning Days, 140 events over 4 counties for 10 days. Let's relive it in song.
I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days with proclamations and recognitions, April 29th until the 8th of May. There were stories, strolls, and STEAM events for ladies, children, and the gents, and improv shows and art displays and Arbor Day upon the bay, and jubilation in the parks, and telescopes out after dark. And wait, there's more, I'll have to start again. I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days. There were thousands participating. Events were fun and free, so no one had to pay. There were maker spaces, history, and arts and bee anatomy, and carnivals, acrylic pours, and mindfulness and patriot tours, and fairy gardens, movie shows, and families learning from the pros. And wait, there's more, I'll have to start again. I'm reviewing the situation and reliving Suncoast Remake Learning Days, collaborations and celebrations, lifting learning up in oh so many ways. There were gaming, esports, butterflies, and dirt and soil to analyze, and aviation, building blocks, and soaring for and even crocs, and dancing robot sharks, and song with joy and learning all week long.
So what do you see?
And wait! Next year we'll get to do it all again!
It's great. I'm so excited.